Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce salt in curry. If your curry tastes too salty, don't worry. A quick fix is to add a peeled, raw potato, cut into quarters, let it simmer for about 15 minutes. It will absorb some excess salt. Another effective method is to stir in a few tablespoons of plain yogurt or coconut milk, which helps to mellow the intense saltiness and adds a creamy texture. You can also dilute the dish with a quarter cup of unsalted broth or water. To further balance the flavors, consider adding acidic elements. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar can work wonders, as acidity helps to neutralize the perception of salt. Don't underestimate the power of sweetness either. A small pinch of sugar, about 1/2 teaspoon, or a drizzle of honey can round out the taste profile. Finally, a generous handful of fresh, chopped herbs like cilantro or mint will add a burst of freshness and distract from any lingering saltiness. Another effective strategy involves increasing the overall volume of your curry. You can add more unsalted vegetables, such as bell peppers or spinach, or even extra protein like chicken or chickpeas, ensuring they are cooked without additional salt. Alternatively, if you have the ingredients, prepare a small, separate batch of the curry base without any salt and combine it with your overly salty dish. Serving the curry alongside plain, unsalted rice or naan bread also helps to balance the saltiness. Prevention is always key to avoiding an overly salty curry. Make it a habit to taste your dish frequently as you cook, especially before adding any salt. Opt for low-sodium versions of ingredients like broths, tomato paste, and soy sauce, which can significantly reduce the overall salt content. When you do add salt, do so gradually, perhaps a quarter teaspoon at a time, and taste after each addition. This careful approach ensures your curry is perfectly seasoned every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.